Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the Port Royal Street Revempment project. We are on Port Royal Street and this angle basically summarizes the project. On the right you can see the road, nicely renovated. Straight ahead you can see the boardwalk that was built, and then to the left is the revampment wall that was built to protect the shoreline. Alright, so we're going to go through an article where there was a grand opening of the project, and the project was handed over to the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. So we're going to go through the article that gives an update on everything, and then we discuss it after. The Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, now has responsibility for the sustainability of the $1.3 billion Port Royal Street Coastal Revampment Project, which is designed to safeguard the corridor from continued erosion and the effects of storm surges. The project, which was implemented by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund and completed in March 2022, was officially handed over to the Mayor of Kingston, Senator Councillor Delroy Williams, by Prime Minister the Most Honourable Andrew Holness during a ceremony held at the Breezy Castle Sports Centre in downtown Kingston. It comprised the implementation of 1 kilometre of composite seawall and armour stone revampment structure, upgrading of drainage features, rehabilitation and raising of 1 kilometre of existing roadway, and installation of a 4.7 metre wide boardwalk to improve the site's aesthetics and promote recreational activity along the shoreline. An 80-metre fishing beach was also created for fisher folk in the area who currently berth their vessels along the shoreline. The redeveloped corridor spans the coastline from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building to the Raytown Fishing Village. Mr. Holness informed that the KSAMC will have general management of the project and, in collaboration with the relevant agencies, will do what is necessary to ensure that the investment is protected. He noted that the municipal corporation will be responsible for attracting investment in the area that will assist in the revitalization of downtown Kingston. Bringing back life into the boardwalk is going to be the role of KSAMC. What they do in terms of encouraging commerce along the boardwalk, in terms of having businesses being set up along the boardwalk, in terms of permitting for concerts and other activities, all those things are going to be important, including ensuring that the fishing village is clean and accessible. The Prime Minister said the work on the major thoroughfare has not only resulted in a much better organization of the traffic in the eastern end of Kingston, but the greater effect is the aesthetic improvement of the area. It just looks so much better. It gives a sense as if Kingston is finally coming alive as a city. Kingston is finally starting to make tiny baby steps to fulfill its true potential. Mr. Holness noted that the $1 billion invested in the revampment work is a small expenditure relative to the benefit that will accrue from the project in terms of disaster resilience. In the meantime, the Prime Minister congratulated the JSIF on its good administration and oversight of the project, as well as the contractors for the work done. For his part, Mayor of Kingston, Senator Councillor Delroy Williams, said the city is proud of the project, noting that the municipality has engaged with the National Solid Waste Management Authority to plant and maintain trees along the corridor. Mr. Williams said that the project will encourage people to walk along the boardwalk, and that was part of the idea, to encourage exercise. He praised the JSIF for doing a wonderful job with respect to the planning from start to finish to the implementation of this project. Kudos to JSIF, he said. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Honorable Olivia Grange, People's National Party caretaker for Kingston Central, Imani Duncan Price, who represented Leader of the Opposition Mark Golden, Chairman of the JSIF Dr. Wayne Henry, and Managing Director of the JSIF Omar Sweeney also gave remarks during the event. Implemented over a 2-year period, the Port Royal Street Coastal Revempment Project forms part of several infrastructure projects of the JSIF's World Bank-funded Disaster Vulnerability Reduction Project, which seeks to enhance Jamaica's resilience to negative climate change impacts. Alright guys, that's the end of the article. So basically, it's a job well done, and I must say, they said local contractors did this work, and I must say that's very impressive, because most of the projects, these major projects, you hear about this and that when it involves local contractors, but I must say this is very impressive. And the government is actually doing a very good job in trying to renovate downtown Kingston. So let us know what you think of the project, guys. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright, have a good day.